What's the meaning of cockade? Cockade. Cockade.
Cockade. Cockade. A cockade is a decorative knot of ribbons, usually worn on a hat, often in the form of a rosette. The term originally referred to the distinctive ribbon given to knights or other important persons to attach to their hat as a badge of office. In modern times, cockades are often used as a patriotic symbol or to indicate support for a particular cause or political party. The design and colors of a cockade can vary widely, but they are generally meant to be eye-catching and easily identifiable.